Company feature in Tally Prime. Accounting feature. F11 company feature help us to configure company business data as per business requirements. Multiple company feature options are available in Tally Prime, which we can enable or disable as per the business requirement. To access company feature, we need to navigate through Gateway of Tally, Company option, Features option, and then Enter. The company feature is mainly divided into three parts. First is accounting feature, second is inventory feature, and the third is taxation feature. On the display company features page, we can view only limited features in all three parts. To display more company features, we have to set Show More Features to Yes. Along with this, if we want to view the detailed features, then we have to set View Detailed Features option to Yes as well. In addition, we can also update statutory details of the business, such as GST registration, company GST details, PAN details, and corporate identification details information of the business with the help of more details options. Let's see how to update PAN and SIN details of the company. PAN number as SIN details, enter and accept. Let's start with the accounting feature. The first option is Maintain Accounts. This feature is used for effective management of business accounting in Tally data. Many businesses' accounting features can be activated or deactivated as per the requirement through the Maintain Accounting option. Enable Bill-wise entry. Bill-wise entry feature is an important business feature using which the outstanding balance of the business can be managed efficiently. Through Bill-wise entry feature, invoice-wise bill pending, payment, receipt, advance, overdue balance can be managed easily. Overall, though the Tally Prime Bill-wise feature, the payables and receivables of the business can be managed effectively. Bill-wise feature is used in all types of business industry. That's why the Bill-wise entry feature in Tally Prime is set as Yes by default. Next, enable Cost Center. Cost center or profit center can be said to be a unit of the whole business organization. Cost center feature in Tally Prime is used to track the expenses and revenue of a particular business unit. Although cost center feature is not used in every business industry, but according to the need of the business, if the revenue and expenses of a particular business unit is to be maintained, then this feature can be used. Enable interest calculation. Many business industries are directly related to financial and monetary businesses, where it is common to change interest of transactions. For example, financial institutions, banks, chit funds, etc. If interest is applicable in the company created in Tally Prime data, then through this feature, the accounting of the business can be easily managed along with interest calculation.